In this video, you will learn how to insert a table of contents. In the last video, we have inserted some styles in our document. Let's first make sure that we have finished putting the styles. So this is the subtitle and I want this to be a heading 1, and now this is heading. Let's put this heading as well. Now let us assume this is heading 2, this is heading 2 as well, this is heading 2 as well, this is heading 1. You don't have to select this whole, you can just put the cursor somewhere and you can change the heading. Now we are hopefully done with this styles, and now we can insert a table of contents. So to insert the table of contents, first thing you make sure that you are at the top of your document where you want to insert your table of content. So just insert one line, and here I want to insert my table of content. So for that we have to click on insert, and at the very end we have table of contents. So there are two types, one is with page numbers and the other is with blue links. So I would prefer this page numbers, so just click on that, and now we have this table of contents. So this TOC has this boundary as you can see, and these are our headings, subheadings, and as you might have noticed that title and subtitles are not available here because table of contents does not contain titles and subtitles. So therefore we have all our headings and everything. If you want, you can change this table of contents, but the best way is to change the text. For example, if I click on here and I don't want this colon because this is just by mistake, so I can edit this. If I click on this purpose, it will take me to the text area, and now here I can delete this, and next time when my table of contents will update, it will automatically correct this. If you want to update it now, you can just click on this update table of contents, this circular arrow, and it will be updated. And as you can see that now that colon sign has been removed. So this is how you can put table of contents in your document. And if you want to delete your table of contents, so click anywhere on the table of contents and then right click, and at the very end you will find this delete table of contents. And if you press this, your table of contents will be deleted. So there are two important things to remember here. The first thing is styles are needed to create the table of contents, and the best practice is don't edit the table of contents itself. Instead, edit the text and update the table of contents.